Hello, welcome everyone to this masterclass, and today's Insta Live is for deciding your health resolution of 2021. So hi, welcome everyone to today's Insta Live, and this is the end of the year 2020. We had very uncertainties, but now this is the time we have to take resolutions before 2020 ends and January 2021 starts. Hi, welcome again. I'm super excited to share my health resolution and inspire you all to decide your health goals and resolutions before New Year starts. Once you are mentally prepared before, then it is likely to happen in the first week of January. Have you seen that many people have taken a gym membership in the first week of January, and you will see that after 15th of January there is a little rush, and after the January end is over, members who have taken a gym membership, they are not able to continue. So this is the time that everybody is inspired. And what is exactly is the health? Health is not only the absence of the disease, but it is always the good health is how you think, how you get up with the energy, what you eat, and also what is the response to anybody if somebody behaves very bad with you. So this is the time that we have to take a health resolutions. I'm going to share my health resolutions with you, and there are 4 health resolutions. First is the health is you have to earn the health. E is exercise, A is for attitude, R is for the rest, and N for nutrition. So let's start about the exercise. If you are already doing exercise, it's okay. But if you are not a person that you have not started the exercise, it is a time that you have to take a resolution of exercise. Maybe starting for 10 to 20 minutes of walk, or maybe you are doing a sitting work and do little stretch exercises. So I was a person maybe 2 years back not having time, but when I got inspired with my mentors who are already very health conscious, and always we take health decisions by seeing people around us. People are health conscious, we become health conscious. People are food conscious or foodie, we become more foodie and start enjoying. So I thank to my friends who are very health conscious, and I have taken a conscious decision of becoming healthy. I started with 10 minutes of walk. Then I started with the 20 minutes of walk, and I started doing 1 kilometer and 2 kilometer and so on. So this time my health goal is I had to increase the walk to 5 kilometers per day. And even the stretch exercise is also important. So what I do is when I attend some of the meetings which is going on as a webinar, so while doing webinar, I just stand instead of sitting, and I just do the little stretch exercises. So exercises, there are many ways, but if you are a beginner and started, always start with the walk or little stretch exercises. Going to the gym is always better, but there should be consistency in going to the gym. And then the trainer will guide for the different strength exercises and cardio exercises, that depending on that. So now let's come to the A is attitude. Always positive attitude is required, and it is very difficult when you go through different expressions of anger, frustration, stress. Even if you want to control the stress, automatically stress is always there. So how you can just get away from the stress? There are many ways, but if you are a beginner, start with doing a meditation for 10 minutes a day. And doing a meditation is not a big or a complicated thing. There are guided meditations are available, but going or starting for the meditation is just you have to focus on your breath. Just close your eyes, take a deep breath inside, and just exhale, and just observe your frequency of the breath. And even the air is cool or hot, you have to feel the air, and accordingly you will do the meditations, and you will be able to control your emotions. And definitely mental toughness, for that so many things are there, but we are not going to talk. Then the third is the rest. Ideally, if you are above 40, the ideal rest is 6 to 8 hours. but sound sleep is more important. So if we are women over 40, which I always get inspired to talk to all women over 40, taking no carbs or a low carbohydrate dinner, ideally between 6:30 to 7 p.m. is ideal, so that you will have a sound sleep and even you will be able to get up early. I was a person who was sleeping very late night, and still with that disturbed sleep, I used to get up early morning and go like run like a machine. So I had become like a machine. And when you behave like a machine, you just get very irritated in the morning, even when your sleep is disturbed. So ideally, to have a good sound sleep, if you are a person who are having a sleep disorder, please directly message me. I have come up with the ebook with 48 sleep hacks to have a sound sleep, that covers again your eating habits, certain pre-night rituals before sleep, what mindset you should have, you should be away from it, and some different therapies. So if you are a person with sleeping disorder, which is very common after 40, please get connected to me. So ideally you have 6 to 8 hours of sleep. And now I have come that in the morning 5 a.m. is the best time to get up. 5 a.m. or 6 p.m. the 1 hour is your time. In that you can have 20 minutes pocket. Usually first 20 minutes is having exercise and energize yourself. Next 20 minutes is for the growth. You can just read and listen something or do meditation, and next 20 minutes is plan your things. Once as a woman, when you start your day in the morning, you just cannot look after yourself or have a personal time in the busy schedule. So you have to do those things before everything starts. So you decide your time, maybe the 5 a.m. If you are starting your work of doing a food for the tiffin of your family members at 5 o'clock, then ideally you should get at least at 4 a.m. and start doing it. So you spare your 30 to 45 minutes before you start your daily chores. So that is about the rest, 6 to 8 hours. Even if you are having less sleep at night, you can have a little sleep in the afternoon, but ideally it is not recommended to have afternoon sleep, but you just manage between your 6 to 8 hours of sleep. And now the last one is more important, that is about the nutrition. Nutrition is important, and especially again women of 40, we have to limit our carbohydrates. So I'm going to show my health resolutions. I have decided that now, I was always a vegetarian, but now I have decided to become a vegan. I'm going to avoid the milk and dairy product and even honey and all that. So animal products are banned for me now. I'll be not having those. I will be having limited carbohydrates up to 70 to 80 grams per day, and no carbs dinner in the evening. I'll be having more fruits and vegetables. In the morning breakfast, I'll be having fruit and vegetable smoothie. You must have seen my so many posts that one day I have a fruit plus protein smoothie. The other day I have green vegetable and protein smoothie. So that way I balance my protein. Already fruits have some carbohydrates, but it also contains vitamins and minerals. Same with the green vegetables, but we get added advantage of specific merits of those vegetables and fruits. So nutrition, protein has to be added. Specifically for me, now I started going to the gym and 3 days strength training. I am not going outside, it is on the society only. So in the society, 3 days strength training is there. So before and after, so before I take my all plant soy protein and I do my exercises and strength training. After that, when I come after 15 minutes, I started taking a whey protein. Whey protein is for your muscle repair and muscle recovery, and it also helps in the weight loss. So this is my schedule I have started with. So I'm going to show you now health resolutions. You cannot see it clearly, but in every area at least I have done three to do things. Resolution is you are going to achieve one goal. So in health goal, I am going to achieve my optimum weight of 52 kg, and I am going to have my body fat loss up to 16% of body fat. I'm going to reduce my waist size. And about the exercises, I'm going to increase my exercises and running and stretch exercises. I'm going to get up little bit early. I'm going to reduce my sleep hours. And about the nutrition, I'm going to have more protein and whey protein, more of fruits and vegetables and vegan diet. So you have 4 to do things to achieve your optimum health. It starts, if you are a beginner, you start with the nutrition first and bit of exercises. 70% is the nutrition and 30% is exercise. It's better to take action rather than not doing anything. So welcome Steffi D'Souza and financial, I am not able to read that. So thank you for attending this Insta Live. I was expecting hijabi speaker. In fact, she had called me to talk about health resolutions. So just to cover up, again, thanks and welcome to this Insta Live. Myself is Dr. M.K. Shivani. Basically, I'm a medical professional, nutrigenomics consultant. That your DNA talks about your food and your food is directly related with the DNA. That's called nutrigenomics. And you must have heard what you eat. You are what you eat, but it is not correct. You are what you eat, but what you absorb. You may eat many variety of things, but if you are not able to absorb as per your metabolism, it is of no use. So it's a time to start your health resolutions. If you are already health conscious, it is always have a one notch above excellence goal for your health. And the second thing is, if you are a beginner, it's better to take a small actions on a persistent and consistent basis and never give up. Even I am overwhelmed. I want to do yoga, I want to do meditation, even I want to do stretch exercises, even I want to do running and gym and everything. So I just figure it out. While doing some work, I just do my stretch exercises. I cannot do yoga every day, but I can do yoga once in a week. And if you are a fitness conscious, health conscious, I invite you to join my Wow 40 movement. Wow is Woman of Wisdom over 40, where she has to take care of herself, self-love, and every Sunday we have a free workout from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. If you are not doing anything from Monday to Saturday, I invite you to join my Wow 40 community online every Sunday 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and it's absolutely free. It is just inspiring all women to take action. And if you can devote at least one day for yourself, that is Sunday. One Sunday we have Zumba Bollywood, the other Sunday we have upper workout, the other Sunday we have lower workout, sometimes we do power yoga, sometimes we do some creative water bottles in the hand and workout, and we invite trainers which are already expert in that field, and we do it together. When somebody is doing together, we are inspired to take more actions. So I invite you to join my Wow 40 community. The link is given in the bio. You can join and welcome Luis. Even this for Sunday community between 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. is also open for gents, because all the community people all over India, we are joining online and we are doing this online 400 to 500 calorie burnout on Sunday morning, and it's a fun doing that. So it's a time that you take health resolution, do your exercise goal, what exercises you are going to start. For your attitude, start your meditation, start with 5 to 10 minutes, just focusing on your breath. And rest, definitely you see that you are away from the social distractions 30 minutes before you go to sleep. Listen to some music, have a sound sleep, and just do to-do list before you sleep. Otherwise you are occupied what to do the next day. And nutrition is the 70% of your health. So take care of the nutrition, have more fruits and vegetables, and have more proteins in your diet. Have low carbohydrate or no carbohydrate dinner in the evening if you are overweight. If you are in 2025, it's okay, but always have a early dinner, that's better. So here, just to know you that I am going to read out my health resolutions, exercise goal. My warm up and stretch exercises are there when I do some training on a webinar. I am going to go to the gym, that is 30 minutes, where I will be doing my jumping jacks, plank and squat. 5 kilometers walk. I can do only on Mondays because Monday is a gym holiday. Otherwise, I'll be doing only 20 minutes walk. And every Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to run 5 kilometers on Saturday and Sunday, because every day I will not have time. Why I have done that? Because I have experimented all this in the lockdown and I have got major benefits. So I have just divided everything. And about my daily eating, I'm going to have more of all plant protein powder and whey protein powder. And I'm going to start lutein. Lutein is a good supplement. It is good for eye health. I got the specs after 40. The number is a little bit increased, but just to avoid that, the lutein is a good supplement for eye health and vision health. And also the fruits and vegetable smoothie and no carbs dinner after 7:30. About the sleep goal, usually I sleep by 10:30 and I get up by 4:30. I'm going to see that I sleep at same 10:30, but I will be getting up little 30 minutes early. And about the positive attitude, usually I do 30 minutes of meditation. I'm going to increase slowly to 1 hour meditation. And in the morning only, as I told you, the 1 hour, 20 minutes is the pocket is for the exercise, 20 minutes is to do the things for your growth, where I do my gratitude, affirmation and visualization. It just takes 5 minutes, and we have got specific diaries for that. So my ultimate goal is 52 kg, 34, 28, 36, 15% of body fat, no watching of news, usually I don't, but still no news, no phone after 9 p.m., 9:30 p.m. and no milk and curds and vegan only. So these are my health goals, and I hope all of you have got some clarity about the health goal. Health goal is not having a good health is not a goal. Certain amount of weight, amount of doing exercises, changing some eating habit, changing some sleep habits and some mind control habits. So set a goal, set resolutions in 4 areas. I'll repeat: exercise, what you will do for exercise, what you will do to control your mind, that is meditation, and or maybe listening to music for 10 minutes a day, that will control your emotions, and what you will do about your sleep habits, and what you will do about your daily eating habits. So with that, thank you for joining this and health resolutions. So see you and take health resolution now today, and just enjoy 2-3 days and just be determined to start your 1st January 2021 with a strong health goal, and wishing you a healthy year 2021.